I recently asked on Instagram, what do you guys want to see for some recipes for me to film? And lots of people said stews. So today we made this lamb stew, which is a Greek traditional dish called lamb fricassee. Today we're gonna make a traditional Greek dish, lamb fricassee, which is a great comforting dish in the winter, and I can't wait to make it for you guys today. So we have here a boneless lamb leg that we're gonna cut up into chunks. You could also buy the lamb cut already, but I just had this at the store, so we're gonna take this. We're gonna cut this in about these medium-sized pieces here. Put that in the bowl. Now that we have our lamb ready, we have 3 heads of romaine lettuce. We're gonna cut this up. So we're gonna cut all of our ingredients and get it ready so that we can go to the stove and start cooking our meat. So we're just gonna chop this. So we have our lettuce here, and then we have our scallions, we have dill, and we have parsley. So this doesn't have a lot of ingredients, and wait till you taste how flavorful it is. At the end, we're gonna make Avgolemono, which is with lemon and egg, and it's so delicious, and it's gonna be amazing. So we're gonna cut up our scallions. So we have our scallions. Then we have our dill. We're gonna do a bunch of dill. So we have our dill, we're gonna chop this up. Look, all our beautiful ingredients. We're gonna go to the stove and we're gonna brown our lamb. We're gonna take a nice big pot with a good lid, and we're gonna put some olive oil, covering the bottom of the pot. Perfect, we'll heat that up. And now we're gonna take some flour, all-purpose flour, and our lamb pieces here. We're gonna coat the lamb in the flour and put that into brown. When you're putting the lamb pieces in, you wanna make sure that you're not overlapping them. So this pot actually worked out perfect because nothing is overlapping, and we're gonna brown all of them. So I'm gonna get some tongs and turn them. So now that we've seasoned the one side with salt and pepper, I'm gonna flip them. Look how it's getting nice and brown. I'm gonna brown the other side. And I'm gonna season that with salt and pepper as well. So we're browning both sides of this meat, and fricassee in French means to break down meats and to really lock in the flavors. And the Greek twist to this is we're adding the Avgolemono, which is our lemon and egg, and it is a delicious stew that's perfect for the winter. So we're frying this up here so that we can lock in the flavors and break down the meat. So now that I flipped it, we're gonna season this side with salt and pepper. Okay, we're gonna brown that for a few minutes, and then we're gonna cover it with some water. So now that the lamb is all nice and brown, we're gonna add water, just enough to cover the meat, and we're gonna bring it to a boil. So let's see here, that's about 4 cups. So now that it's come to a boil, we're gonna cover it, and we're gonna lower the heat, and we're gonna do it like medium to low, right there. We're gonna leave it and let it cook for about an hour because we need it nice and soft, cooked all the way through. So we'll come back and check in a little bit. So we've cooked this for about an hour, so you wanna make sure that your meat is fork tender so you can put your fork all the way through. Look, perfect. So our meat is ready. And now we're gonna add in all our greens. So we have our lettuce, chopped up, scallions, our dill, and our parsley. I'm gonna mix this together. We have this on low heat, so I'm gonna mix, put to medium. Now I'm gonna sprinkle this with a little salt and pepper. We're gonna cook this until our lettuce cooks and it's nice and it's wilted. That's how you know it's gonna cook, so probably about 10-15 minutes. So You can adjust your salt as you see fit, but I'm just gonna do a little sprinkle of salt and pepper here. So I'm gonna cover it and let that cook. And while that's cooking, we're gonna go make our avgolemono. So for our avgolemono, I have separated the egg yolks and the egg whites. So I'm only gonna use the yolks with 2 egg yolks, and we have juice from 2 lemons. So we're gonna mix this together, get it nice and frothy. So now we're gonna get some juice from the pot so we can temper our avgolemono. So we're just gonna take some of the juice. So now we have the hot liquid here. I'm gonna turn on the hand mixer and slowly add. Perfect, now our avgolemono is ready to be added to our big pot of our fricassee. So you can see all of the lettuce, all our greens are nice and wilted. So we know it's cooked. We're gonna turn this off the heat over here. And now we're gonna add our avgolemono. Toss it around. And this is ready to serve. So we're gonna ladle this out to our serving bowl here. It smells amazing. The lemon, all the fresh herbs. For the full recipe, visit nikkiglekis.com and check out my website because I have tons of recipes on there for weekly dinners, hosting parties, appetizers, cocktails, you name it, we have it. Even find some great desserts.